Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger. First, you should log in into your account, and once you log in Hostinger, you will find this dashboard right here. Here in my case, because I'm not subscribed to any plan, I have this message, but you will not get this message if you are subscribed. So here on the left, you can see some options, and here from the home page, you can see most of your important data, including the payments, the subscriptions, and all about your websites, domain, and so on. Now, when you go to the website section right here, from this page, you can simply see all of your websites. You can click on add website in order to add a new one. You can also click on these three dots beside each website and see this panel. You can add tag, connect domain, and delete even your website. You can also click on add website if you want to do some modifications. Now here you have the email section. Here you can see all the emails that are connected to your websites, and you can see the status of each email right here. And also you can activate the auto renewal in order to renew your subscription with this email. Now when going to the domains section right here, you will find all the domains of your websites. You can simply click on manage and change the domain, or you can simply add a new domain if you need to do so. And you can do also some domain transfers from this page. And for those using a VPS or virtual private server, the VPS plan section gives you access to VPS management tools. You can monitor server performance, manage resources, and adjust server settings. This section is important for people who need more control over their hosting environments compared to share hosting plans. And here you have the billing section right here. You can here manage your subscriptions. You can see your payment history and payment methods added to your website. You can also click on add payment method in order to add one of the payment methods from this page. Down below right here, you have the marketplace, which will show you all the products and add-ons that you can actually add to your websites. You can also see some hosting options like VPS hosting, cloud hosting, and here you can buy some domains or transfer domains, buy emails, services like logo maker, logo design, and other things like VPN and data analytics apps. You can also go back to home right here and click on this icon right here on the top right corner. If you need any help, they'll jump directly to this page. You can now select the topic and tell them exactly the issue that you are facing, and you can start a live chat with them. And you can click on this button right here in order to see more tutorials on how to use Hostinger and how to fix some issues that you may face. And now if you need to create a new website, you should go to this section right here, websites. And you should click on this button right here, add website. You can add a website by using WordPress or by using Hostinger website builder, which is powered by AI. So if you need something professional, you can choose WordPress. And if you need something which is fast and easy, you can simply choose Hostinger website builder. But you need to know that the domain or creating a website using Hostinger is paid, so you cannot do that for free. Now let me show you how you can actually use Hostinger AI to create a website. First, it will show you this page. You can simply click on start creating or use a pre-made templates by clicking on this button below. But in my case, I'll click on start creating. It will show me this page. You can enter your name, brand, website type, and describe some details about the website. Then click on create a website, follow their steps, and after that your website will be ready. But you need to know that the result might not be that satisfying, so you need to do more modifications by using the tools on the left side right here. You can click on this plus button in order to add text button, image gallery, etc., or this pages icon to add some pages and navigate between your website pages, the colors and styles from this section right here. And if you are searching for something in particular, you can simply click on this search icon on the bottom left corner and search for anything that you need. You can also connect your website to a temporary domain after creating it just in order to test it. But if you want to start and show it to your customers, you will have to buy a domain. And that's all for today. That was the basics, but there are a lot of details that we didn't mention in this video. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.